Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Monica, and today we are going to be unboxing my spring FabFitFun box. I joined last summer, I want to say. I remember scrolling through like social media and I kept seeing ads for this, and I always thought it was like a cool idea, but the thing that really caught my eye and the reason why I did end up signing up was, I think in the summer box of last year, they had a really cute like white and blue Dutch oven, and I was like instantly obsessed. So I immediately signed up, but since then I've really been enjoying it, and this is my third box now. That first box that I did get with the Dutch oven, I made sure to go in and customize my box and pick, to make sure I got the Dutch oven. However, my second box, which I guess was the winter box, I totally forgot about the customizations. I completely missed the time period of being able to pick the items that I wanted in my box. So I don't even really remember what I got, and I don't even remember if I liked it or not, but I'm really excited because this one, I did not forget about the customization. I did pick most of these items. Some of them I was able to choose, like pick a random item for me because I just didn't know what item to choose from the list that they gave. The cool thing about the random one is you also have a chance of getting an item that's completely not on the list, and that was from like a previous box. So I think that's pretty cool. But I'm really excited. I do not remember what I chose. I don't remember what the options were. I haven't seen anybody else open their box yet. So this is gonna be just as surprising for me as it is for you. So let's get started. Ready? Okay, first things first, stickers, obviously. This is definitely the spring box. Of course, it says Spring 2022. There's some really cute stickers. You get a little magazine. The magazine is basically things that you can add on to your box. I haven't really gotten an add-on yet. I've just been kind of seeing how the boxes are first. I know there's a card in here somewhere that does tell you like what's in your box, but I'm not gonna look at that card today. I wanna be surprised. Okay, cute wrapping paper. Ooh, I'm excited, I already see some stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with some of the smaller stuff. So I see what might be like lipstick or something. I'm not really sure. Winky Lux lip oil. Ooh, fancy. I don't think I've ever used lip oil specifically. Is it like, it's not like lip gloss, right? Oh my god, I can't even get it out. It is tightly packed in this little thing. I guess it kind of is like lip gloss. It's got cute little stars in it. I love the bottle itself and the glitter and the stars. I will say, I am not a lip gloss person. I hate the feeling of that like sticky lip gloss. I love chapstick. I'm a chapstick fiend, but I don't know if I'm gonna like this. Should I try it? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put just a little bit on it. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like vanilla buttercream. Oh, it's so sticky though. Ugh, I don't like that. That is straight up sticky lip gloss. I don't know if I like it on my lips though. Probably gonna wipe that off. Next, I see markers. Oh my gosh, is this like a freaking adorable? It's a stationery bundle. These markers are adorable. I love a good marker. And then this box looks like it slides. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I don't really like write letters anymore. Oh my god, they have like personalized ones. Like this one says it's your birthday, and then it's blank. Congrats, thanks. Some of them are plain. I love this. And this is such a cute little holder. Oh my god. That was adorable. Very excited for that. Cuticle cream. Wait, this is so funny because I was at Target this morning and I was gonna buy cuticle cream because my cuticles grow like crazy. Cute little, I think it's like a pen, which I love because then it doesn't get all over your hands. It is like a pen. I'm sure I have to like activate it first. Does it have like a clicker? It does. So you click this kind of like a pen and it shoots out the cuticle oil. I'm actually really excited to use that. Let's go with this because I can clearly see what it is. These are big old hair clips. My hair is super thin. Like usually with hair clips, it just, the hair falls right out. So I'm curious to see if these will be any different. This matte black one right here has kind of like a, it feels like almost like a felt top. That might actually hold my hair. So if I were to just do like a classic, just pull my hair back and hold it. Ooh, it actually kind of is holding it, I think. Doesn't feel like it's falling out, but also I don't, like I said, I don't have a lot of hair. So this clip is a little big for like, if I want to do like a half up kind of look. But if I try and grab more hair, maybe. Oh my God, it's actually holding it pretty well. That makes me really happy. I can never use these things. I think this way it'll hold it pretty well because it's got most of my hair. I like it though, I'm excited. Like I said, I can never really use these, but this black one has that like felt tip, so I really think this, I'll actually be using this. What is this cute little box? Spoon rest. I remember picking this. I'm excited. It's a big one. It's like a half gray, half white. It's actually really cute. It's huge, which is awesome for like ladles and stuff. The one that we have now is like half of this size, so the ladles kind of hang off anyway. So it kind of defeats the purpose. So I really like that this one's super big. All right, I'm gonna move the last items aside and put all the trash in here. Our last two items, I remember this, and I think I remember what this one is too. So let's go with, oh, this is actually not what I thought it was. This is one of those like therapeutic yoga mats that has the like prickly stuff on it. I've always been afraid to try these, but I've heard really good things. So I hope this one's actually good. Oh, this one's a pillow. It's got these like really, it actually kind of hurts to touch it. These like prickly things. I think it's like acupuncture, you know? But I've heard really good things about these things. Specifically the like yoga mat one that you lay like your whole body on, which freaks me out. So maybe if I start with this and I love it, I can actually get the yoga mat one. I love the color too. It's like an ombre, like blue, dark blue and then light blue. Super pretty. All right, and then the last item is a Lazy Susan. I'm super excited for this. It is really cute. I love the like wood grain, the different wood colors on it. Let's see how it spins. I'm super excited for this. It's gonna go so well in our new home. All right, so that was the summer box. I think if I remember correctly, I picked the Lazy Susan, I picked this pillow, I definitely picked the spoon rest. So what I'm assuming is these other items, like this cute little stationery kit, the hair clips, the cuticle oil, and the lip oil, I did not pick. I probably picked like the randomizer thing for that. And I will say, I love the cuticle oil, don't care for the lip oil, love the stationery, and I'm like half and half on this just because for me personally, it's not as practical, although I am very excited that they added a different like texture one. But overall, for the random items, the only thing that like I really just don't ever see myself using is the lip oil. But everything else I think I will use as far as the random items. The ones that I picked, like I am super, super excited to use this. And of course that Lazy Susan's gonna look so cute in our home. For some reason I thought that they included a little insert with the items that you chose. However, now that I think about it, I think I'm thinking of my Stitch Fix box, which I used to get and I stopped doing for a bit. I think I'll be able to go into the app and like see which ones I actually chose and which were random. But I think I'm right in the options that I just said. Overall, I think this was like a super cute box. I mean, for the most part, everything is practical and I'm gonna use. I think I only have one more box left in my subscription because I did get the yearly subscription and I started in the summer. So the summer 2022 box will be my last one for this subscription. I'll probably keep it going, honestly. I really, really enjoy it, especially now that we're gonna be getting our own home in a couple of months. I can specifically tailor the box to like home items and things that I'm interested in. So I'm really excited. If you guys are interested at all in trying this box, I believe I have like free boxes that I can send to friends. If you want to just leave a comment down below if you're interested. I think you just have to give me your email and then I can send the box and you just sign up for a free box. I don't really know what the obligations are after. I think after the free box you have it's like a trial. I think you can cancel your subscription after or keep it going if you'd like. But yeah, if you're interested in that at all, just let me know down in the comments. I don't think it costs you anything. And for me, I believe if I get like 3 people to sign up using my referral link, I might get a free box. I actually don't really know how the referral for this works. But regardless, it doesn't cost you anything and it'll probably help me out also. So if you are interested and want to use my referral link, just let me know in the comments below and I will send you an email with the information. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you want me to do more unboxings like this, just let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this at all. I am thinking of maybe starting with my Stitch Fix subscription again, and you know, I do have my other FabFitFun box coming in a couple of months. I would love to do more videos like this for you guys if you enjoy watching it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit the like button on the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and I will see you guys next time.